Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to automatically deliver digital products in Systeme.io quickly and easily. First, log into your Systeme.io account. From the dashboard, create your digital product, such as an online course, ebook, template, or downloadable file. Next, create a sales funnel with a sales page and checkout page. Make sure your digital product is connected to the checkout page. Now click Automation and then Rules. Create a new automation rule. Choose the trigger called New Sale or Product Purchased. Next, choose an action such as enroll in course, grant membership access, or send an email, depending on the type of digital product you're delivering. If you're delivering a downloadable file, include the download link in the confirmation email. Click Save. Now, whenever someone completes a purchase, Systeme.io will automatically deliver your digital product without any manual work. Finally, place a test order to make sure customers receive access immediately after payment. That's it. You've successfully set up automatic digital product delivery in Systeme.io. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out the channel for more quick Systeme.io tutorials, software guides, and online business tips.